What it do, YouTube? We back in the baby S class. Just riding around. I'm actually about to head to I guess it's a club. It's a club slash barbershop. Homie said it's supposed to be lit there. So that's what we sliding to. That's what we slide.
How may I help you?
Not you.
I'm sorry. Can you say that again, please?
Bye. That's how you gotta talk to us sometimes. Be like, hey man, mind your business, man. Hey man, say man. Man. I was laying down, waiting on this Dreamkind charity basketball game video to upload. It just finished probably like 15 minutes ago. It'll be out. It'll be before this, but it's Saturday night, Sunday morning, 12:41. Dang, it's 12:41? Dang, I got a late start. I thought it was like 12:15. You know, it is what it is. You know what they say, I rap when I am. I ain't on rap when I am told. I rap when I got stuff to say. Ooh, we gotta run it. Well, that's a Benz right there. I know it's crazy. It was supposed to be raining all night. Man, it's clear. It was supposed to rain all the way through tomorrow. It's supposed to rain for like the next 7 days. You know, it's cool. It's cool. It's cool. Downtown look. I don't know what the streets look like, but the building lights are lighting right now. Hold up. I hate when people getting turn lane late and then take their time to turn. Like, oh, little Hyundai. Oh, little Hyundai. Oh, look at them walking their dog. Yep, can't piss in the house. Let's go out for a walk. Honey, how you took the dog out today? No, I thought you were. It looked like we both going for a midnight walk with him. She on a mission. She got somewhere to be. And she ain't about to play no games. Hey man, say man. Oh man, yesterday I think it's still gated off. They made that gas station shut down so they can do construction. Imagine you gotta lose business because they trying to build a stadium next to your gas station. And they don't play no game. Fence around it. Fence. Put that fence around them. Don't nobody get in or get out. Crazy. Like, you Titans? No, Put that fence behind us. People need to get gas. And it's the only gas station right here at the interstate, at this exit. Even though there's a lot of crime that happened right there, it was literally prime exit if you need gas right here. To be honest, it's the only gas station that got a lot of pumps at any exit off this strip of this interstate section. Cause if you get off at Jefferson Street, you got that gas station got like 4 pumps, 2 on each side, so 2. You can't really make that a prime station. The other one is on Main Street, but it's leading you downtown. So you gotta go through downtown to find a gas station right there. Yeah, that's the last one on that strip. Get real motivated same day. Boy, I be catching them red lights. Cricket letter. Watering the grass. I be forgetting police is on to be sometime around here. My face dry. I feel like sure, baby. Alright, 10. Let's see. I just want to see a green light. Pistol in the party don't seem right. They about to have a wreck, ain't they? They waited late to turn too. Police at the hotel. Alright, y'all. This is where we end our journey. I know it's not as long as used to, but I like to pull up my music on and we right here to the place. So appreciate everybody joining me. Hey, if it ain't too much, make sure you like, subscribe, and watch another video while you're here. I'm gonna catch up with y'all next time. Godspeed.